Doing that now.
Hey guys!
FraZier.
And now there's Daddy. He's like, oh. This is Trenton. And Ashley and Tommy came over. We're going to play this like cool game.
So look real slow and aim around so you can see people's faces.
Oh, it did have a promotional code slot. Oh, okay. It had like, that was below the credit.
I know.
Okay, that makes sense.
Slow.
Right, and then it says complete payment information, and then once it's complete, because then it'll just say, oh, okay, free.
Okay.
You know, 'cause you already paid it.
There we go. Okay. I just thought, I didn't really realize, I thought it was like promotional code for your
Let's just say hi.
business. Yeah, it was free. Yeah, exactly. There you go.
Let's just say hi.
Yeah, so promotional code or
Hi. Say hi, Trenton. He said hi. He said hi. Say hi, Trenton. He said hi. And look, guys. What? I don't want to aim there. It gave me scared. Dun, 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 dun. Don't do that, don't.
and don't break the laws in the city.
Would you stop it? Would you stop it? Don't do the business. And this is Daddy.
Yeah, we agree. We will not sue you. And talk is talk. Securities for direction, parking information, all
When you go on the mat.
Tommy, guess what? I'm doing like some like survival stuff now.
You're not videoing now, are you?
Yeah. Dimension pack.
We're listening.
Your game is about to begin and the clock will start.
Oh my gosh,
Press
it's
cancel
time.
unless all your team are at the start location and ready to begin your adventure. Please note that logging in from a more than device per team is not allowed.
Is it timer?
Yeah, it's time.
So
You
maybe
have to
we should
listen.
wait until we go like.
All right,
through
exit the
street.
parking garage onto the east corner or the corner of Oak Street and East 10th. Where's Oak?
What's still here?
This one? All right. Hi-ho! Off to the adventure we go. Watch for cars.
I want to go to the elevator.
You want to use the stairs?
No, elevator. I want to use the
I'll use the escalator. Well, if whoever wants to take the elevator can take the elevator. You like this? Sidewalk? It's cool. It has a bunch of
Thin soles, my shoes are wearing.
I need to find out what year this garage was built.
Are there any?
Oh, there must be a sign somewhere.
What?
Moly, that's really wind.
Sign somewhere.
Did you just like teleport? Did Son just teleport?
Yeah, we teleported to downtown Eugene. This is downtown Eugene. It's very breezy
So
right now.
does the thing like Did the sign teleport?
No.
Alright, I'm gonna say 19.
Is it? You have to fill
This
it.
is the overpass part. Is there a date on there somewhere?
We gotta go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, let's cross the street.
I got him.
We're trying to think when this was built.
Oh, there's a plaque over here.
Look
1969.
Rocket.
It's a milk bag.
Yeah.
Biped motion here.
Alright. You
It's
will.
old school.
1969. Correct. You scored 75 points. 75 points. The game
Yeah.
clock is paused. Continue. Makes you rethink your parking, doesn't it? Just kidding. Your car will be fine. Pull a double cross.
We got a green light.